and one like homemade.
Yes, we are gonna see which one you like better. So first, we're gonna do the box carrot cake.
Yeah.
I have never made a box carrot cake. I've always made it from scratch.
Yeah.
So I don't know how it's gonna taste, but we're gonna find out.
Yep.
Okay, so let's get started. Here we go. Just following the simple instructions on the box.
So we're gonna put here.
Yep, we already preheated our oven to 350 degrees.
Yeah, you should go do that.
3 simple ingredients.
Yep.
All you do is pour it in. And the oil. Use canola oil or vegetable oil, whatever you'd like. And mix it up.
Yep.
That's it.
Oh, yeah. Just wait.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah.
Looks good. Here it is. We took our cake out of the oven. We frosted it with a ready-made cream cheese frosting.
Yep, we did it creative and we put carrots on it.
Yeah, and we did our
That
best.
were
to
not
make-
that perfect.
Yeah, first time trying to make little carrots with frosting.
Yep.
So to continue our battle of the carrot cakes, our next video will be the best, most amazing carrot cake from scratch. Okay, and then we'll do our taste test and see which is better.
Yep.
So this is our first video in the series with our pre-made, super quick and easy carrot cake. Yes, so that's it. Thanks and like our video, hit subscribe, bye.